guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. Why did I do this? This is awful. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. I sound like a Disney Channel kid. Okay. Hey guys! That's wrong. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a terrible intro. That's what I have. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys a Copycat from Outback Steakhouse. It's their Alice Spring Chicken, which is one of my favorite recipes. I mean, I've been copying this dish since way before I even was on YouTube. It's always been such a simple dish to mimic at home. It tastes exactly like it is from Outback, and they charge you like $14.99 for it. And all you need is some bacon, mushroom cheese, a little honey mustard sauce, and voila, you have yourself the same exact dish for a quarter of the price, and you can feed much more people, as well as you can just eat it in the comfort of your home. So today I want to show you guys how to make this recipe. Let's get to it. Okay, for this recipe you will need a few slices of bacon, chicken cutlets, Kobe Jack cheese, salt, pepper, honey mustard. You can make your own honey mustard. I've done that before and I just don't think it's like as that much different of a flavor. So I just go ahead and get the store-bought brand because it's much easier that way. And some sliced mushrooms. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is fry up some bacon. You want to do about 2 pieces per chicken breast. I'm going to make 2 chicken breasts, so I'm going to do a total of 4 pieces. You want to make sure that you make it pretty crispy because you want to use the bacon fat to make the chicken breast inside of it so it adds extra flavor. So we're going to go ahead and fry up our bacon. Okay, now that I've went ahead and fried my bacon, I'm letting the grease all fall down there. I'm going to use that same pan because you want the flavor from the bacon grease to go into your chicken. So I lowered the heat a little bit, and I got really thin slices of chicken breast, and I'm just going to lay them to cook in that. And that's how they get the flavor packed in there. And all I put on this chicken breast is a little bit of salt and pepper. That's all it needs. And since mine are really thinly sliced, it's gonna cook real quick. Okay guys, so I went ahead and just buttered the pan a little so we have a little bit of oil. And I have anywhere between like 4 to 5 ounces of mushrooms. You are supposed to give your mushrooms a little more space. I don't mind my mushrooms not being like super perfect. But theoretically speaking, you do want to give them space. But I'm okay with them just having a little bit of room. And you want to go ahead and just let them sit at about medium heat and then wait for them to saute. Okay guys, so now that my mushrooms are sauteed, I'm going to put those aside and we're going to go ahead and assemble our chicken. Okay, so now that everything's cooked, is assembling part. I already have my oven on broil because everything's already cooked. We're just putting it in there so the cheese melts and all the flavors marry. So I put a little oil on here so nothing sticks. And I'm just gonna lay all my pieces of chicken down. So I went ahead and laid all my pieces of chicken down. I like to give them space so they all cook. Well, not cook, but assemble perfectly. Our next step is to get our honey mustard. Put a layer of it on each piece of chicken. You want to go ahead and get a dollop of it and just put a layer of it on a piece of chicken. I've seen a few recipes that call for you just to go ahead and marinate it in honey mustard, but I feel like when you marinate it and then you cook it, it doesn't give that really potent flavor. It's better to just go ahead and put it on the chicken fresh. The next step is to lay down your bacon. I like to make mine just as much bacon as I can fit in there. So maybe, you have to rip your bacon pieces just a little bit so they mold to the shape of the chicken. Next, we're going to lay down our mushrooms. Okay. And the last step is to apply a good top layer of cheese. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and pop this in the really hot oven. Everything's already cooked. The only reason you're even putting it in the oven is so cheese melts and gets nice and fluffy. So I have my oven on broil, and you wanna watch it. You just want it to get that perfect cheese melt, and then you wanna pop it out. But everything's already cooked. We're not putting it in the oven for it to cook. We're just putting it for everything to melt. Okay, guys, even though I've tasted this just a million times, I'm gonna eat it one more time in front of you guys because it is so delicious. Such a simple dish, but it packs in so much flavor. This is just a good dish overall. There's just nothing to complain about. You see those layers of different flavors, but they just melt so good with the cheese. I absolutely love this. Guys, I absolutely love this dish. The honey mustard really ties in that sweetness, and the bacon is so savory, and you put mushrooms on anything and I'll eat it. It is just such an easy dish, and you can make it with some mashed potatoes, and bam, you've got dinner on the table. Or you can also save really well, so you can just pack it for a lunch. It's just such a good, simple dish that, it also, you feel kind of fancy when you're eating it, but it didn't take a lot of work. And it comes from Outback, so obviously it's a good plate. And if you guys want any more copycats, or you love a restaurant and you want to try something from them, leave me an idea down below. Maybe I can go ahead and find the recipe and we can all learn how to make it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, as well as hit that like button. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.